cellphone. Kuha.
What?
Itong i-charge. Claro din. Kita mo may charge ito. Ito ha? Kini di ay oh. Wala.
Approve.
Wala na. Dasa pa. Wala sa phone.
Naaga yun.
Damo lang nga.
24 hours.
Is approved.
Nag-approve.
Kalau nga suga. Hindi na. Kita mo na.
Good morning. Welcome to our Antididin Kuya Lito Adventure Vlog.
Adventure na.
Aha.
Narbaho dahil may
About
maban siya kay
Malay class.
Jasi.
Talaga sa ng cellphone niya ka-record.
May mga bala na matapan. May pa na bata kasi busog.
Yan eh.
Panay po sa bukton gabon. Agdi.
Masarasap sa okay.
Sino ba yung tulong kita?
Kung makita mo yung driving,
Oh, dili na mayo.
ako ang navigator, sino pagwapa.
Makita mo ka na imong kuhan. Good in
Hindi kayo kuwan man.
dili. Talo na yung mga followers.
So what's our business for today? Our business for today is about the bomb scare.
What?
Man, so kasi nakabalo na mo, no? Okay. It's put in public naman. Public awareness. So karon mag asynchronous classes kami, giving activities to the students to virtual classroom. Now regarding the threat,
Oh my god.
of course only the authorized authority can give the correct answer. So kita wala mga assumptions. Kita gin kanu sa kana kabalo nga ibang threat. Bira.
Oh. Si Ikon. Si ngalan.
Ano nga itong bansa? Yeah, so
Si Rodel. Ano mo?
yeah. So as per Quran, personal knowledge, I learned about it when I moved to my volleyball coach. But following the media, it has been known that it was already sent by whoever he is or she is to the ICT of Siman University by the morning yesterday. guess it was last night around mga what time King? Kuan.
At,
Around 6:30 or 7.
may balo?
The bomb squad of the PNP and the Coast Guard went to Siliman and went around the campus to check with their K9. And I guess so far, as per media posting, no bomb was found. So, wait and see lang tayo kung what will be the result of what will be the findings of the bomb squad and the Coast Guard. So of course it created panic last night among students and faculty. So well, ako last night I went home early because unfortunately it may be a fortunate thing because
Okay, that's pa.
there were few players who were reported for training, so I just postponed it. Well, I just do not know, probably they knew also the information prior to the training and probably that's why they did not go for training. And when I went home this attempted, I knew it because I contacted our coach regarding our valuable equipment. And yun, I learned it from him. And then I immediately went to the social media for some updates. But yeah. So again, in the case of the gym, where there were practices among junior high school, senior high school, and college athletes, one of our PE teacher there and coach responded to the message, so he lets everybody out. Well, of course we should, I mean, like, parents must have been surprised, but it should not be taken for granted. So that's why I'm here now with my
Beautiful wine.
hubby. So, King, well,
Yeah, sige.
she's preparing something. What's your comment about this? Ano sa'yo mong masulti?
Follow ta sa post sa social media and authorized person kay nani di lang ta magpanik, although ta sa normal feeling, but kuan kana di mo tagalan mapigtanan tanan kay like kini share magud ni share
Yeah.
share din negative comments daghan dito na makuan na siya. So at least sa early nga kuan na padali po ni pa-check dayon sa mga autorisadong mga authority na kuan. So siya ampo lang yun no kay kuan walay makatumbas sa kuan kagamanan sa kuang labaw ng siya rin na sayon katangan na mapahitabo din sa and wala ka may klase ron, so stay put mga estudyante. Kay dili na siya kuan ang panahon na ilaag. Be mindful sa tanan ninyong i-post po sa media and sa inyong mga buhaton panic sa tanan.
Yeah, actually, King, when when I followed our GC sa faculty sa Silliman High School, we were all asking because there was that posting by Silliman University administrator that there will be no classes today, and that's the like what it is being signed by Mr. Middleton. So we were wondering, who is this guy, who is this personality, and then
Di ba napulihan naman? Si President as of now.
yeah, as of now,
Oh, di ba?
I think we still don't have our.
Asan ka na siya?
But no. There was already a posting by Silliman
Okay.
that it's a fake news or it's a fake posting. So bali yung may confirmation na from Silliman University that posting by a certain Mr. Middleton was a fake news. So most likely the NBI will take over these things and the cyber crime, no? So, well, one of our lesson in it's really very in timing. So one of our lesson in grade 10, which is the Matatag curriculum or the enhanced K-12, among first quarter lesson king is about e-health. So this is an example of like verifying whether the health information is reliable or not reliable. So I can give this as an example. Grabe siya. So again, there is that fake news. So I guess until now, the authorities are still really verifying the veracity or the truthfulness or the what you call that, kanang unsa ka tinuod. Eh wala man sila pa siguro. There has been no reported findings of a bomb. So there were, according to the sender, it was sent to the email. I guess the name there is Tena, then sent to Silliman University ICT. There were 6 areas, according to her, that or what, where the bombs were placed, no? Now, if you are going to see the what you call that, the email message, probably it was contained another way, you know. Probably it was typewritten or it was typed in the morning, because if you're going to view the message which was circulated around the media, the time there is 10 in the morning, and then the greetings is good afternoon. So paano yun nangyari? That's something that remain to be seen by the web. Probably, in my own opinion, it must have been written in the morning and then sent, probably he or she sent it in the afternoon. Kaya good afternoon ng kanyang kuhan. Really scary. Okay, even my daughter, when she learned about it, even if there will be classes today, she will not send our apo to class. And I don't know, even if all the parents out there,
Same thing ang buhaton.
yeah,
Same thing ang buhaton.
most likely are going to do the same thing, that you are not going to send your children to school. Beautiful morning. We are passing by Laan. This is an open view of the southern part of Cebu. Almost sunrise. Ganda talaga dito. So, I just do not know paano gagawin. If somebody's going to start probably business here, kasi mudagan ko din tao din. But this area is quite dangerous kasi parang super highway. But I guess it's a good thing to ganda. Pero lupa pa lang. Dapat simentuin para hindi malikabok. Yeah, yung hindi pa nakasubscribe sa YouTube channel namin ni Ate Didin, our adventure vlog. So every time mag-travel kaming dalawa, ganito gagawin namin. Ay, nakong voice ngayon, no? Puro nagnigo ako.
Ha? Golden voice. Kasi ano, hinga naman ko after taking one.
So, yes. Actually, well, hindi actually, no? Pero, kasi nga walang traffic, so I can drink. Straight naman yung daan. Kapit na maubos. I'm done.
Gabi, formally open ang ilang basketball invitational tournament. Kasi nasa lang na yung Pepe. So karon ang volleyball.
Yeah. Yeah, I actually, I really intend to be with my wife. Kasi it's seldom that I can go with her today or at present because of
Gas is the key.
gas is the key. Layo kasi 1 hour trip tapos we'll be spending 500 pesos back and forth. How many kilometers per liter madatakbo ng Avanza? Probably lagyan natin maximum natin 17 or 16 or 20. So for 40 kilometers, so 2 litro, yung 500 mo 5 litro, so tamang-tama lang yung back and forth. But pili mo magasto one day ging
Wala
day.
po.
Yeah,
Right.
approximate
60, 70, 140
140 then going to
plus see para 140
Mas
mga
gapo may mo din mo
mga
pagkamadlok.
155
Ila?
155
Times 2.
dili
140 man ibutan na going to Tanay Pila 70
70
then
plus 15
plus
85
85 and then going back assume na to 85
ang iya kay mag-series ko 60 ko naman 69 ay nga dumagat
assume na natin maximize so like 85 going there then when you go back so that's 117 ano
suli na ka
yeah. Sige magpagasolin niya sa amin then we'll continue after. We usually have our refueling here in San Jose kasi Petron medyo mas barato ang iyang gasolina. Very limited refueling.
Needed.
unleaded 700 yan ang kuan
Yeah. Once again, yung petrol dun sa Juan, Ayukitan ba yan? O Juan, Tapo Norte ng San Jose. That is where we used to refuel. See, yung mas lower yung kanyang kanan na. So we are now here in Ayukitan. So back to our main topic. Yeah, mo to akong kuangin ba? Probably ko unlike pareha ba sa inyong kanang segment? Yeah, segment, that's a term. Natamoy kuan kanang segment ni Brian nga pareha na ni ba? Randa sanang unsa pa na murag mix vlog ra. Whatever is kanang news of the day.
Sustain. Ano may sustain? Hindi po. May useless ra.
Ano naman? Mo lagi ang pag-sustain. Na may useless man.
Na ako magukay.
Di man ka like example lagi ka mo prepare og topic.
Ay, kuy. Ito clearance ko na ko ba? Ito clearance na. Loaded na kayo.
So this is the advantage or shall we say the beauty pag walang traffic because napakaagang biyahe kasi yan we can go straight walang traffic especially pag maganda ang daan so may silence kasi tapos ay nagtatrabaho while driving while riding. We are now at Amlan. Amlan proper. Right? So,
I will sleep.
hanap pa kag 15 minutes. Right? So, I hope you are going to continue watching our adventure channel. To be continued yung expenses ng kanya expenses no 70 city limit to Tanay City to Pamplona is 15 but kung magpinikap
30.
let's go na lang assume nga 30 so 100 na lang ging so 100 back and forth 200 tapos from the city limit to our residence is ilang motor? 20 so 220 tapos your lunch and snacks pila?
100.
100 so more or less 320 ang mga gasto niya every day pagkatapos ikumpara natin ba ngayon sa gasoline 500 so that's 180 it will be fine because your husband is with you yeah earring
And I am
and
relaxed.
you are very much comfortable so in other words
Ibu City.
okay lang di ba the thing is psychological pa 500 every day if in case pero one ka lang like you are not conscious that you're also spending 320 which is less 180 okay and then without your husband yeah with this you have your husband caressing you and then like that one you're more relaxed and bisan pag makatulog ka like sa series di ka mulapaw alright we're passing by is a very wide road sa saan sa king Pulo hindi sila Pulo that's Bulwang next to Bulwang is Pulo Buswang ay doon no
Asa
Buswang
itong bulwang?
I don't know
Sakit. So, ano? Lawang.
Hmm.
Natulog ko yung pangtriyahan.
So, right.
Sa right. Ang maura po, namot ko diri mga aning oras sa
Okay. Eh, magmuna man po dug live day si Kwan, no?
Oo.
Brian kay para gapon ni una ko alas 6 cheese na. Si Brian okay ra.
Ano siya ka? Size mo siya start.
Sada lagi na i-drone king lami alak na to. I-feature ni nga road ba. Lami kini nga road trip at naka-drone ani ang paalin sa dahan. So ang kulang ani nga road, this is the Pulo National Highway. Ang kulang ani king is only the lights. Diba? Ang magabi
Wala na yun. No?
wala man diri ang ano, except that ano. Wow, super ganda ang daan dito. On both sides you can see fish pond. Alright, we are entering the city of Budbud. It's 5:45 in the morning and this is the city of Budbud. What's up in the morning of the city of Budbud? See, relax kaya mo sa So at this time, wala pang traffic, pero may mga sasakyan na sa unahan. Oh. Alright. Let's see, Captain High.
Nakain na. Nakain na. Nakain ako.
Moto iyang service
Okay
mapunta.
ako.
Kikrit niya iyang
Sa'yo, tingala man sila. Wala pa ba? Anas ati didin. Man sila.
Okay.
Wala pa.
VIP ko dahil kanila.
Ang driver taga Pamplona. Most of the drivers nila ang conductors na atis ng Pamplona pa.
Natural kay Kuan man.
Yan.
Alright. And to Pamplona,
Maligo
here
pa.
we go.
Ari ko dili mag-antang maligo.
Ina.
O niya, nakaw ko dito, ana.
Dire. So na, may time nga mo pan kagi.
Ako ka nang na-aplikit. Magpay magikan, hindi ko ka maglibog mo gugod sa akong kontak ang katubang kato sila aircon or kuan regular.
So magsilbi ang imong purpose mag-atang either pili ka para balabal na lang.
O libre.
Libre.
Na may mga magpas sakay padalong dito. Pero several times ko nga, yun mo nga, hindi mo ito, tiyasa ka. Kung nalahi, ate. Kani siya, kana siya. Ito siya, game. Kana siya, para friend taga Santa Gida, manggod. Ito bang nakita natin?
Laging kabante yun. Una sila sa kada, di ba? Kuhan sila, kuhan ba? Nag-ani na sila. Guys, mo ni grabe kang kalami sa dalan mo ni dalan tayong sa Vamos, Pamplona. Ano kaya ang asfalto ba? You have the signage there. Alright, welcome to Pamplona.